What's going on, everyone? So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a breakdown of the live trade that you guys are about to go ahead and see. It was actually on this day in here. Okay, this was actually Monday session, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just cut this all out and pretty much show you guys the trade. All right, so the way I personally like to trade, and if you guys have seen prior videos, I like to identify key levels of structure, and we have a key level in here. All right, we have this prior swing. Then we have another swing in here, price breaks above, we come retested it multiple times, and same thing happened on this day here, which was Monday. Price came down, we were kind of holding above here, and on the 30-minute chart, price was kind of forming this little W pattern. Each candle that was going lower was met with some type of force higher. This type of pattern and structure I usually look for in a buy setup. So we had multiple things of confluence. And I'll go ahead and show you how right here. So we had this up close candle, which was green. Then we have this down close candle. Then we have this candle that was going bearish. And then we have this candle that closed bullish. So we had two attempts pretty much to head lower, but price was holding up in here. And in here, this structure, I was looking for entries to buy and was kind of hoping to look for a run above this high in here and possibly look for price to go a little bit higher, but as you guys are going to see, pretty much it ended up forming a lower high and then breaking down and then heading a little bit lower. But again, at that point, I already took off pretty much half my position, trailed my stop, and my stop actually did end up getting stopped out later on once I closed out the video. Yeah, so again, guys, very simple, basic stuff that I like to trade. I like to keep it very, very simple. Identify key areas of structure, see an aggressive push away from that level, and then look for some type of retest at those levels with some type of price confirmation. Sometimes I will buy the level as soon as it just kind of goes into it, but because price already tested it multiple times in here, I wanted to wait for some sort of confirmation because I don't like when the level gets tested too many times personally. First test, second test is fine, but when it comes to a third, fourth, fifth test, I personally just don't like to see that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to go ahead and put so much more content out here, and I hope you guys enjoy.